promo method by two-step URL. Okay, this is a method. I am going to show one software. It is free to use. You can use it even in Indian marketplace. It goes, it can use it. Okay, I am not affiliated to it. I don't have any affiliate links to it. Sorry. So this software gives you 21 days free trial. You get all the benefits of it. You can use it during the launch period. Okay, I'm going to show it to you first. Okay, let me just escape the. Okay, let me just show it. Can you guys see the screen? Can you guys see the website, the pages.landingcube.com, where the mouse is? Yeah, just let me know. Okay, it will be faster to conduct this training if you can just type in the chat section about it. Okay. Okay. So this website, okay, I don't know if it is zoomable or not. Let me just see. Yeah. So this is a website that is built automatically. I haven't crafted this website. I've just put the link of the product. Okay, this is a product that is a hot selling product. If you know this product, okay, this market is flooded right now. So what it does is, okay, so we have to drive traffic to it. Now, from where you are going to drive the traffic to it? This is a website. What the main function of this website is to distribute coupons, unique coupons to the customer. Okay, once they click claim coupon, then this page appears. They can copy it and redeem the coupon. Okay, once they go to redeem the coupon, okay, let me just do one thing. Okay, because I think this is loaded already. Yeah. So once you click claim coupon, you have to enter your email. Okay, let me just give a new email. So as soon as you enter your email, you will also get one email from them as well. Okay. So here you see the email has already came. So the email also gives you the coupon code and the link to redeem the coupon code. Now here we have done few changes here. Okay. So what changes we have done? Once you click this redeem coupon code, you have to set the coupon code. You have to set the coupon code here. Okay. At the back end, I'll show you. So once you click the so once I click the coupon code, the product appears. Now this is a two-step URL that we have used. I'll show you the backend as well. Okay. And then that goes and purchases a product. Now two-step URL still works. And even the same link, when you click this link also, it goes to the same website page. Okay. Now there is another method that we have used. Okay. This is the coupon code. This is a symbol version of the coupon code. But if in India, you know, when you're running ads or anything, either from Google ads, Facebook ads, we try with Google ads because that is more search oriented. When you do Google ads, you need to focus on the keyword list. You can just submit the list of keywords in Google ads dashboard, the relevant keywords. Okay. You can put 20, 30 keywords, divide in 10 keywords per ad group. The same structure is there in Google ads as well. Okay. I'm not going deep into that. So then the customer comes after seeing the ad, then they claims the code, and then they text the coupon code. But what happened is maximum of the case they text the coupon code, but they don't go for purchase because the offer, the 30% off, do not look that enticing for them. So what I have made to make this offer more enticing is, let me just show it to you. Okay. So this is another thing that I was doing. I think this one, let me just see it. No, this wasn't that. So this was the one. Okay. So after the click redeem coupon code, we have made one extra step here. Okay. The step is this one. Okay. What we have done is wait, claim one extra free gift from us. Now, how they are going to get the gift? After they submit their order ID with us. Okay. This is a simple page that is built up. We do this service for US clients as well. Okay. So what this does is wait, claim one extra gift. Now, this increases the conversion of your coupons because in India, what we have seen, coupon conversion is very low. What we're telling them, follow this step. First, buy this product by using the coupon code that is shared on the last page. And then step 2, email us the order ID to give the free gift. Okay. Then once you click on redeem coupon code, the two-step URL is put on this button. With US, what we are doing is we are using brand referral URL here instead of two-step URL. Brand referral URL just gives extra 10% commission to the seller who is doing it if he's driving external traffic. And on the brand referral page, there is an option to submit URL where you want. When customers clicks their brand referral URL, you can drive them to a separate URL in Amazon. That URL we are using two-step URL. So they just click and the page opens. Okay, now this page is now set. That is how you need to do it. We are using this. We are using this one. We are using this one in India. Okay, to drive some traffic, and that was really good because you have to drive good traffic from Facebook ad. Trust me, it is not useless. Okay, sorry, for Facebook it is useless because it is very costly there. The traffic there is not that good. Once we would do with Google Ads, you target those keywords. Those keywords will be used in Google Ads. Okay, you can just download the Cerebro report, use those keywords in Google Ads. Okay, that will be there. And okay, so this is about the coupon code. Now for coupon code, one thing you have to remember, do not go beyond 30%. Okay, do not go beyond 30%. That is not appreciated by Amazon at all. Okay, your product conversion per keyword will be very less. The juice that you would get from a full price purchase versus anything that you get from above 30%, then the juice, the keyword ranking juice will be far more less. Okay, so you can even rotate the keyword here. I'll just show the backend how it is being prepared. Okay, let me just go. Okay, let me just do edit once. Okay. So this is how it appears. Okay, when you have just enter the A sign, the product URL, and then you can just set it normal way. Then this is the page. You can even set some options here. Even in the, they have a lot of options here. Okay, they have a lot of options. These all are automatically generated. You don't have to put anything here. Okay, these all are automatically generated as soon as you enter the URL. Then you go save and continue. Obviously, it is saved. And this is a thing that works with Indian thing as well. Okay, you need to put the coupon code. Now here, one thing you can see is there you can put all the tracking links. If you're using Google Shopping ads, which I don't know why you are not using, just create a website. Okay, even we have the service. We provide e-commerce website to the clients. If you want e-commerce, we can do it. If you want Shopify, we can do it. Okay, Google Analytics, because every customer that is coming in your landing page, they had to be tracked. It is very hard to get the first purchase if they don't know you. Once you retarget, shopping ads are very cheap. Okay, target through that. You can set all these tags here. Then you just save and continue. And here you can just put the promo codes. You can just download the list of promo codes and put it here. Now, what we do is when we use two-step URL, this is a two-step URL that we have used because in India, we don't have brand referral bonus. Okay, if you can drive traffic to Amazon store where you can track how much sales you are getting. In destination URL, you can change. Now you can check this one. Okay, you can check this one and this one. What it does is it avoids any type of word string or URL string or timestamp to be stick on the URL so that Amazon don't know from where the traffic is coming. This is